So in the last video, in the last couple of videos, I showed you how to update and how to delete your own posts. And if you look up over here, maybe we go the second post. If we actually went ahead and deleted this post right here, the image will not be like removed from from the images file. If we look up over here, if we look the name of the image of second post, sorry, down here, posts, we look up over here, second post, and we have this name down here. We can see you anonymous, something like that. So if we go ahead and delete it, we can see here it is, here is the image of this. If we go ahead and delete this post, you can see that the post is going to be deleted from the table down here, and it's deleted, but the file, the image is still in the folder, which is of course is not what we want. We want to be able to delete this image so we don't have a lot of images that are unused in our project. So it doesn't actually if we lay this out, it will save a lot of images down here that we don't use, and it will make our app a lot more slower. Okay, and this is not what we want. And in this video also, I want to show you how to update the image. I left this in the last video, and I want to do it right here. And also with deleting with updating the image, I want to show you how to delete the old image as well, not just to update it. All right, so basically we are gonna play with two scripts right here. If we look at posts, if we look at delete, let's start with this first. We want to be able, when we delete our own post, we want to delete the image as well, right? So to do this, it's actually pretty simple. We are going to use the unlink method, and the unlink method takes two parameters, but we are going to be talking about one, and this is the path of our own image right here, or the directory, which is images, and then the name of the image. So basically, to do this, we need the image name, right? And to do this, we need to create our own query. It's basically a select query, just like what we did at the show single post video, right? So if we look over here, and we need to do a select, we already have the ID right here, so we can actually go ahead and get the image. So we're gonna go select connection, query is fine, select all from posts where ID equals and our own ID down here, and we can go ahead, select, and execute it, and we can go ahead also and fetch it, because we are going to be needing our own image. Video fetch OBG. So now we can go ahead and use the link. Let's put this first, maybe posts variable, and now we can use the unlink. All right, and we need the path that we have, or the directory of the images folder down here, which is images, and we need to concatenate this after the slash. This is going to be like this. We need from the posts the images, or image, just image. All right, if we close this and save it, that should work. So if you go right down here, maybe we will take like post 7. Okay, actually let's go ahead and create another post, so we can like select another, we can select an image with like a symbol name, okay, because all the images have weird names. So if we go like post 10, we go subtitle of post 10, we like pick up some text and go over here. We can say, if we go over here and let's change the name of this image, and then black maybe .gbg, where let's choose another one. Maybe we'll go over here, black.gbg. Yes, of course. So it's over here. Okay, now we have black2.gbg. If we click create, okay, so I can see it's been created down here. If we go to our own table, now we have the name of the image down over here, and if we look at the directory images, we can see that's right over here. All right, so everything is fine till now. If we go ahead, add this image, post 10, and if we go ahead and delete, let's see what we're gonna have, like undefined variable select. Yeah, we have some kind of error, just a typo. We have this down here, forgot an E. We click refresh, you can see that we got back down here and we don't have our post. Let's check for it at the database. It's right over here with the ID 8. You can see that it's gone right now. If we look over here, we don't have our own image. Okay, so now it worked. So yeah, that's it for delete. If we go now to update .php, now first of all I want to show you how to update the image. Okay, and it's really simple, just like what we did at the create. All right, let's like pick this up first, the ink. So because our form is processing an image, we need this. All right, and after that, just like what we did at create, everything is the same. We need to pick up image and put it up here, and we need to go ahead and play with the query. After the body, we're gonna say image equal to image, and we're gonna pick the handler image. It's going to be image down over here. Right, so now the query is done. We go ahead and create and see that we have a couple things left. Here is the directory. It's right over here. All right, and we still have one thing left. We played with the query, with the blade with the execute, and we have if like move uploaded files, which will like move the file if everything is fine. It's right down here. So I guess we don't need this if everything is fine. Let's comment it for now. All right, and now like the image should be up there. Let's check just for the name. Yeah, the name, we have it image down here. Let's go ahead and update our own image. If we go to like post after 9th, if we go update, we look up over here, we have this like this weird name of post after nines. Let's go ahead, well, maybe we can go ahead and create another post, because you know, so post 11. I just don't want to like overcomplicate everything with these weird names. Post 7. I want to like upload an image with a symbol name, so we can show it actually that, so I can show you that it's uploading already. Can choose, like, maybe we will change the name of this, or did we actually upload this? We can go ahead and change this PHP. I can see it. Yeah, it's actually right here. We can go create. So now it's created down here at php.jpg. Here is the image. So if we go, so if we now go, we can see our own post down here. If we go update, if we go over here, we can see that we have the name down here of the image. So if we go update, so I need to actually show the image down here so we can show what we're, you know, what we're dealing with. We can go over here and go PHP, echo out the image. And I know that you don't like echoing out HTML inside PHP. I don't either, but you know, just for this single thing. And we can pick up something down here from the value, like we have raw's body. Can make use of this. We can go images slash, we need to concatenate this. We can go image, no, if we go down here and maybe let's say width like 500 equals like 500, we don't need those, 500 pixels, height 500 pixels. Alright, so I guess now it's fine. So if we go ahead, refresh this, you can see that we have the image down here. Maybe 500 is a little more at the height. Maybe we can keep it like 300. Maybe we can go with the width was like 900 pixels. If we refresh this, so now you can customize it however that you like. So yeah, I guess everything is fine now. We update. If we go, we pick up another image. If we go like for this node.png, if we now click update, let's see what we got. can see that we're actually going back to the index, which means that it's already worked. So if we go post 11, you can see that we got our own image down here. If we can go, here we got php.gbg. If we go browse, you can see that we got node.png. So everything is working fine. If we go over here, now we got node.png, but of course we still have our own image down here, which is not what we want. So let's say how we're gonna like do this. It's really simple. All you have to do is just go up over here and get our own unlink going. So we're gonna go unlink, just like what we did, images slash we need to concatenate this with like the data that we got over here from the rows. It's gonna be rows, which is like the old data that we like selected down here. If you don't remember, selected in the values, okay? The old data that we are going to be updating. We're going to be like image, rows, image, and yeah, this should work. So if we go down here, update, we can see that we're showing our image right here, which is node.js. If we now go ahead, post maybe after 11, and if we go to this, so as you can see that down here we got node.png. Let's see what's gonna happen to it. Maybe we will pick like something that's not weird. I know it's like weird names. These photos used to be like, these photos are really old. Rows.gbg. Okay, we're gonna pick rows.gbg. Let's click update, and now you can see that we're getting back to index.php. If we go post after 11, you can see that we have the image down here, and we have like node.png right here. If we look at node.png, it's actually gone. So you can look whatever you like, it's all gone. Now we like all what we got is rows.gbg. And if we look up over here, if we refresh this, so we got rows.gbg. So it's basically really simple, as you seen. All that you need to do is to go ahead and use the unlink like method, and this will like wipe out or delete the image right away. Just give it your own path or directory. So guys, this is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and see you on the next video.